Hello friends, after receiving a good response for our first video, I am uploading the next part of our video containing important questions of chapter 1 and chapter 4 of Information Technology of CIPCC. As I also said in our earlier video that these questions are more likely to come in exams than other questions. So guys, prepare full course but do these questions firstly then other questions. So let's get started. 4. Business Information System. Question 1 is Transaction Processing Cycle. Its answer can be found on page number 4.12 of study material of IT. Question number 2 is TPS Attributes. Its answer can be found on page number 4.13 of study material of IT. Question number 3 is Why knowledge has gained so much momentum in recent times. Its answer can be found on page number 4.21 of study material of IT. Question number 4 is DSS meaning and planning languages and its benefits. Its answer can be found on page number 4.26 and page 4.27 and page number 4.29 of study material of IT. Question number 5 is SCM and components of SCM. Its answer can be found on page number 4.38 and page number 4.39 of study material of IT. Question number 6 is key components of AIS. Its answer can be found on page number 4.49 of study material of IT. Question number 7 is typical online transactions and short note on smart cards. Its answer can be found on page number 4.64 and page 4.63 of study material of IT. Question 8 is importance and approaches of access control and privilege control. Its answer can be found on page number 4.59 of study material of IT. Question 9 is benefits of business reporting to large and small businesses. These are two different topics and there are different points in these two topics. Its answer can be found on page number 4.58 of study material of IT. Question 10 is short note on principle of least privilege. Its answer can be found on page number 4.60 of study material of IT. Question 11 is components and types of information system. Its answer can be found on page number 4.7 and page number 4.10 of study material of IT. Question number 12 is examples of OAA, Office Automation Application. Its answer can be found on page number 4.17 of study material of IT. Chapter 1 Business Process Management and Information Technology. Its important questions are question BPM principles. Its answer can be found on page number 1.11 of study material of IT. Its second part is BPM practices. Its answer can be found on page number 1.12 of study material of IT. Question 2 BPR success factors. Its answer can be found on page number 1.17 of study material of IT. Question 3 AIS functions and processing cycle. Its answer can be found on page number 1.25 of study material of IT. Question 4 benefits of BPMS. Its answer can be found on page number 1.30 of study material of IT. Question number 5 advantages and disadvantages of flowchart and its types. Its answer can be found on page number 1.40 of study material of IT. Question 6 difference between functional and process organization. Its answer can be found on page number 1.4 of study material of IT. Question 7 short note. First part value chain automation. Its answer can be found on page number 1.24 of study material of IT. Part 2 BPM life cycle. Its answer can be found on page number 1.13 of study material of IT. So friends, here we complete our list of important questions of Information Technology of CAIPCC. In our later videos, we are going to come with videos on how to complete audit in 3 days to score exemption. If you like the video, please hit the like button and remain connected with us by subscribing our channel and click on the bell button so that you can receive the notifications. And if you want to suggest some more improvements in our videos, please let me know by leaving a comment in comment box, and don't forget to share this video with our friends so that they can also take the benefit. Thank you. Bye.